Welcome to Melissa Witherell channel. Viewers, if you like my videos, then don't forget to leave a comment. Don't forget to press subscribe button. February 2020 Libra horoscope predicts a period of social recognition and accomplishment of social objectives. You have the cooperation of social contacts as planetary strength is situated in the western half of the horoscope. Planet Venus is also helping your esteem to grow in society. Spirituality and family issues dominate this month as the majority of the planets are in the lower half of the chart. You can use this time for making plans for the growth of your profession. Meanwhile, the focus will be on attaining inner peace as per astrology 2020 predictions. Planetary positions are promising for enhancing mental capabilities. This will help Libra personality to work on projects requiring skill and marketing techniques. Libra love and relationship horoscope. Libra compatibility with your spouse will be full of cordiality and closeness this month. Venus is helping your marital life. There will be both romance and sensuality. Singles will find partners in the neighborhood or in social get-togethers. Mars is assisting you in your love alliances. Your partner may be closely associated with your financial activities and responsible for furthering your financial goals and profits. Libra family horoscope predictions. February 2020 monthly horoscope predicts good times due to beneficial planetary aspects. You will have the support of elder members of the family. The family environment will be harmonious. Children cherish the pleasant surroundings and will excel in their studies and other activities. Financially, the family will be in a sound position after the February 2020 Mercury retrograde. Libra health predictions. According to February Libra 2020 horoscope predictions, health will be fantastic this month. You have to exercise normal care and pay medical attention to minor ailments. Chronic diseases can also be contained with normal care. Good food and regular exercise will enhance your well-being. Libra career horoscope. Libra 2020 horoscope for career prospects presents a depressing picture. You have to draw plans for future career growth and work towards it. Social contacts may not be able to help you much. You may not get the support from your colleagues. Travel for official purposes may be somewhat profitable. Just wait for good times to come. Libra finance horoscope. As per the 2020 monthly forecast for Libra, finances are dependent on social networking. You will also get help from your spouse or love relationship. There will be a fabulous money flow. But you should not splurge money on unnecessary things. Avoid risky ventures and speculations. Investments can be postponed for the present. Libra education horoscope. February astrology 2020 for Libra for education foretells a lucky period for academic purposes. Competitive exams require minimal effort to succeed. Technical students will have no problem in clearing their courses. People pursuing creative courses will do extremely well to qualify for their future careers. Libra travel horoscope. February 2020 horoscope for Libra is promising for travel activities. Travels will be highly enjoyable in addition to providing new prospects for business and professional ventures. Foreign trips are also likely.